In today's video, I want to share with you why I drink cacao almost every day. When I initially started drinking cacao every day, it's mostly just because of the nervous system benefits and just the relaxation. But then later I started to notice that I really cherished that time. I really cherished the time to take a break from my busy day, and I would go and make my chocolate, open the bag, smell the chocolate, and it really helped me relax my nervous system. I don't know how to explain it to you, but if you decide to try this cacao, you're gonna know what I'm talking about. But you know, when you are drinking it, you feel so much stillness, so much calm and peace. So there are so many ways you can make your cacao. You can make it just with hot water, pour it in like I showed you in the video, you know, and just kind of mix it in, either using the blender or the frother. You can add some collagen protein, which is what I do in the morning. You can add maca powder, you can add some almond milk, homemade almond milk or store-bought almond milk. You can also add some whole milk. So it's just obviously going to alter the taste a little bit. So if you do decide to get this cacao, just make sure to try it with just hot water the first time.